It's Vlogmas Day 3. And kakagising ko lang. It's currently around 10 a.m. And ayun, alam nyo ba, sobrang lakas ng ulan. Sobrang lamig. Pero I have no plans of going out naman today kasi expect na natin na malakas talaga yung ulan. So today, we're just gonna wrap some gifts kasi ang dami ko pang hindi nagagawa for Christmas. And I'm gonna edit my Vlogmas Day 1 and 2 kasi late na ako umuwi kagabi. Hi guys! It's currently around 9:50 p.m. And ngayon lang ako talagang nag-vlog ulit mula nung kaninang vlog kasi sobrang wala naman akong ginawa kundi nag-edit, natulog ako halos buong maghapon hanggang 7 p.m. Kumain na ako saglit, tas nanood ako ng vlogs ng mga nag-upload na YouTubers. So wala tayong choice kasi sobrang lakas talaga ng bagyo kanina. Sana lahat ng tinamaan ng bagyo is safe. Kasi we all know na hindi, matindi talaga yung bagyo. So, ang dami na nagsuspend, lalo na sa work. Though my coworkers, my workers, my staff are still tuloy ang business. Pero, sabi nga sa akin nung nag-update sila, marami pa din daw tao, so that's good for us. And marami pa rin tao na hindi nagpatinag sa bagyo. But anyway, I know they're safe kasi buti na lang, tumigil na yung ulan. So, sana talaga lahat ng tinamaan talaga ng bagyo safe sila. So for now, ito yung gagawin ko. Magi-gift wrap tayo ng mga gifts na binili natin. Medyo marami yan. Let's see kung matatapos ko siya tonight kasi medyo marami siya. But yeah, I'm so excited to gift wrap na. That's the only thing I can do right now. And ang lamig-lamig sa labas. Ramdam na ramdam ko yung hangin dito. So ayun, let's go. I'm so oily. Pasensya na guys. Pero 11:15 na. So, nag-wrap lang ako for good parang an hour, more than an hour. So, ang dami kong pinanood din. Kaya medyo matagal yung pag-wrap ko. Nanood ako ng Kadetang Ginto. Nanood ako ng mga vlogs. So, ayan. I'm finally done. And ito na siya. Yes! Yan na siya guys. So, ito na yung mga gifts na na-wrap ko. Medyo madami-dami. Mostly yung Toys R Us siya kasi para sa mga kiddos. Ito talaga yung legit gifts for adults naman. So, ayan siya. Guys, natapos ko na. I'm so proud of myself. Hire me as your gift wrapper. Okay? Okay. So, I probably end the vlog here. Gusto ko lang mag-sorry kasi wala talaga akong ginawa today as in. Kasi gusto ko lang talaga mag-rest bukod sa bumabagyo. Back to work na ako tomorrow, which is really, really hard kasi usually work days ko, puyat talaga ako. So, sinusulit ko yung rest days ko na nagpapahinga ako. So, bukod pa doon, gusto ko mag-thank you sa nanonood ng Vlogmas Day 1 and 2 ko. Sa mga nagko-comment na na-miss nila ako, na nagdi-DM, na it's good to see me vlogging once again. Sobrang salamat kasi na-inspire ako. You know, I've been here for 4 years, going 5 this this New Year's Eve. Kasi New Year's Eve ako nag-start ng videos ko. Alam nyo, I've been there sa gusto ko talagang ma-reach, but I had to stop, I had to pause, and now, sobrang daming nag-YouTube, sobrang hirap. Ang hirap, parang nawawalan ako ng motivation. Pero sa mga nagko-comment, sa mga nag-direct message sa akin, alam niyong nai-inspire talaga ako to push myself na, Eunice, you're still there, kaya mo yan, and all that. Sobrang nakakatuwa talaga at kinikilig ako sa mga messages niyo. Yeah, we'll never stop until we get there, but more than that, it's me informing you guys. It's me sharing what I've learned, what I'm continuously learning, and also learning from you. So, sobrang salamat sa inyo. So, yun lang guys. I'll see you tomorrow for my Vlogmas Day 4. That's it. Good night. Bye! Good morning guys! It's December 4th and happy 4th Vlogmas to us all. Ayan, naglalakad na ako. Nasa Trinoma ako pero sarado pa yan. But, naglalakad na ako pa MRT Kasi sumasakay ako ng MRT or bus, either of the two, papuntang work. So, samahan niyo ako papunta ng work. Ang sarap sumigaw dito nung sa Frozen. Ah! Anyway, tara, samahan niyo ako. Nakakahiya naman ako. Ayan, as you can see, hindi pa ako naka-makeup. Nagtali lang ako ng buko kasi sobrang init na ngayon. Buti na lang, wala ng bagyo. Sana talaga okay na yung mga nasalanta ng bagyo. Ito guys, yung daan pa MRT if you are inside Trinoma. So, yan. Ito lang yung mga areas na bukas kapag sarado pa sa Trinoma. So, ayan. MRT na yan. So, dyan tayo sasakay at we can see na walang pila. So, sobrang swerte naman natin. Tirik na tirik yung araw ngayon. Pero 9:30 AM na. And I'm always too early for work. Like an hour early kasi 10:30 pa ako. So with that, mag-Starbucks stop muna tayo. That's what I always do pag sobrang aga ko. Like today. So dito tayo sa Starbucks na yan guys. That's the newest Starbucks Reserve na tinayo nila. And this is in Estancia Mall. Alam nyo, di ko alam kung bukas na siya. But I'm hoping that it is. At mukhang may tao sa loob. So, I guess it is. So, ayan. Tingnan natin yung mall hours niya. 7 AM. And then, ang mugs nila dito. And I think it's the Starbucks Reserve mugs. And tumblers. Ito, nagustuhan ko to. Sobrang ganda. Guys. Baby pink siya. I like it. Gusto ko siya. It's 1,195. Sobrang simple lang yan. Yeah. Ito pa yung iba. Mint green and blue. Navy blue. Ganda. Yan. So, I'm here na. And alam niyo, sobrang swerte kasi hindi ako nahirapan sumakay ngayon. MRT, sa jeep. Alam niyo naman sa Pasig guys, pag nag-jeep kayo, sobrang hassle ng jeep, sobrang tagal. Kanina, meron ng jeep, naghintay na lang ng puno yung jeep. Walang problema. Sobrang sarap ng feeling guys. Ang bilis ko nakarating dito. Maybe it's because nag-suspend din sila today dahil nga sa bagyo kahapon. Though, I think Metro Manila is still under signal number 1. Pero hindi siya because of the rain. I think because of the gustiness ng wind. Tama ba? Correct me if I'm wrong. But, blessing yun. Joke lang. Hindi naman blessing. I mean, yung pagka walang pasok, minsan swerte din sa aming mga nagtatrabaho. Kasi wala kaming kaagaw sa pagkukommute. Alam mo yun, nakifeel nyo ba ako? But, yun nga, sana okay yung mga tamaan ng bagyo yesterday and the past few days. First time ko dito sa Starbucks Reserve, dito sa may Estancia Mall. Sobrang hindi naman tahimik, pero ang ganda ng ambience ng store. Kaya, yeah, first time ko dito kasi usually doon ako sa isang Starbucks sa may unahan, doon sa may Capitol Commons. Bago lang to. So, I tried going here and yeah, mukhang may tatambayan na ako every morning. These are my usual orders every morning. Yung white cheese flatbread, tapos yung peppermint mocha. Pero sadly, wala sila ng sprinkles. Alam niyo ba, the other day, wala yung sa Trinoma. Ay, tama ba? No, sa The Rock, sa Don Antonio, wala sila ng peppermint mocha mismo. Sobrang nalungkot ako, but it's okay. So, ngayon meron na, pero wala naman nung peppermint sprinkles. Tama? Sprinkles. Yung candy cane sprinkles. So, there. So, ito yung overview ng aking kinauupuan. Ang ganda ng interior, guys. Tapos maluwag siya. I don't know if maluwag siya kasi maaga pa. Hindi ko alam sa gabi at sa hapon. Hindi ko alam kung napakita ko sa inyo yung time niya. But I think it's until 12 12 a.m. siya. So, okay na okay siyang puntahan talaga. Yung sa kabila, hindi ko rin alam kung anong time. Pero, at least open na sila. Ito, nag-open siya ng 7 a.m. Yun talaga yung napansin ko. But, closing, I think 12 nga talaga. So, yeah, kain muna tayo, guys. Okay, so pumasok na ako. Titingnan ko lang kung nandiyan na yung guard and let the week begin. I just got this book, you guys. It's the Little Black Dress, Little White Lies. So, I don't know if it's 2 stories in one kasi origin talaga yung buong title niya. I didn't read itong likod niya. I just got the book sa National Bookstore. Naka-sale siya, but the original price was 469 pesos. If you guys have read this book, comment down below kung maganda siya. But I will start reading today. Habang wala pa akong ginagawa. So yeah, that's that. And my peppermint mocha na paubos na. Yan, good morning! 30 minutes earlier than my call time. Than my usual time. So, I've done my morning duties. Ngayon, I'll be doing my makeup. Dito na ako gumagawa ng makeup kasi guys, ayokong naka-makeup na bumabiyahe. Gusto ko pagkatapos kong bumiyahe, talagang lilinisin ko yung mukha ko. Kasi alam niyo yung usok sa labas, sobrang papatungan ng usok yung makeup mo. Sobrang dumi ng feeling. So, every time I go here, I wash my face using wet wipes lang. Then, I do my moisturizer once again. Tapos, with that, I'll do my makeup. So, that's what I'll do right now. And I'll just fast forward this habang ginagawa ko yung aking makeup. If you guys watch yung aking haul, ito yung sinasabi kong pillow that I got from Miniso na sobrang lambot. So, I leave this here kasi natutulog ako kapag super aga ko pa or every break ko. So, ayan! Ayan guys, so I'm done with my makeup and it's time to work. Later, I'll be back after no duty ko, which is 10:30 p.m. So I'll see you guys later. Bye! Have a great day ahead! Hi guys! It's currently 10:30 and I'm officially done with my work for today. I super enjoyed today's work kasi I had so much to do. It's better for me when I have so much to do than nothing at all. Or maybe yung konti lang yung gagawin, I can't bear not doing anything. So, knowing nakakabalik ko lang ulit from rest day, marami akong ginawa today. So, at the same time, yeah, so much for today. And I'm ready to eat. Gutom na gutom ako, guys. As in. I could really eat so much ngayon, knowing na magkakaroon din ako. Like, oh my God, sobrang nagugutom ako. So, I'll just wait till I get out since may hintay pa akong konting time. And, yeah, kain tayo. Greenfield! Hi guys! So I just got home. Pasensya na, hindi ko na napakita sa inyo yung mga kinain ko kanina kasi super gutom na talaga ako as in. And while waiting for the food, I was editing this vlog already para yung mga additional clips, ano na lang siya, madali na lang siyang isiksik. So yeah, pinagsama ko na yung Vlogmas Day 3 and 4 para tomorrow, another day, another vlog. And alam nyo guys, I wanna do something different for the next vlogs. I mean, Vlogmas doesn't start at 1. mean, every day you can do something that could change your life or change others' lives or change up your routine, do something different. Alam mo yun? I want to do something different tomorrow bukod sa everyday routine, to give something, to make something. We'll see what I can do about it. Pasensya niyo na medyo haggard din ako. Ano na, 1 a.m. na. So, yeah, medyo malayo talaga yung bahay ko sa workplace. Pero kaya naman. Kaya naman. So tomorrow, 10 a.m. naman ako sa work. And I might need a lot of coffee. Kasi I go out sa house around 6 a.m. para lang makaabot at para lang maaga talaga ako sa work. So tomorrow is another day. We'll see what I can do. We'll see what tomorrow brings for me. Ayun. So, before anything else, baka gusto niyo makita yung mga aso ko. So, Yuki is here. She's here. She's looking at me. Step is here. Steppy! Si Chucky is upstairs. This is Step. Hey, come here, baby. Hindi pa kita nahawakan. Baby, come here. Baby. Baby. Shh, shh, come here. Good boy. Such a good dog. If you're looking for Chucky, which is the eldest dog, nandun na siya sa taas. Sumasama siya sa akin every night. Pag akit na ako sa kwarto kasi naka-aircon. Though ito kasing mga to, hindi sila mapakali dun sa taas. Unlike Chucky, though hindi naman siya mapakali din, lalo na kapag alam niyang may lumalabas ng door or what. But knowing na tahimik naman na yung bahay, gigising na lang yan tomorrow morning pag si mommy na yung aalis. So later, around 4 a.m., gigising na yan. Kasi alam niyang gising na dito sa baba. So, alam niyo ba guys, what's yung perks talaga ng having a dog? Ever since we had one, hindi na kami nanakawan ever since. Kasi dati guys, to tell you honestly, talagang inaakit bahay kami twice. As far as I can remember, twice yun. And may time pa na dumaan sila sa mismong kwarto kasi na kami natutulog ng lahat ng family members. Sobrang nakakagulat. But ever since we got our first dog, which is Sky, alam ko hindi na nagkaroon ng ganun. And later on, nawala na si Sky, sinundan agad ni Chucky. Alam nyo guys, hindi na talaga kami ninakawan ever since. And walang nagbabalak lumapit ng gate namin kasi sobrang alert ng mga dogs ko. So, that's an advantage for us talaga. Malaking tulong din na may dog sa bahay. So, yun lang guys. Baka sabihin niyo puro daldal na naman yung vlog ko. Pasensya na kayo. But yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow for Vlogmas Day 5. Once again, thank you for watching and I'll see you on my next Vlogmas. Bye! Mwah!